Hello food fans and Thanksgiving meal fans. We have something very delightful for you here today. I'm going to show you what I'm going to have for Thanksgiving. I'll actually go out to a restaurant probably a day before Thanksgiving, have a nice big meal with a couple of friends, but nothing major. And then I will actually stay at home on Thanksgiving and cook this. And I will show you beginning with the Hungry Man turkey dinner. That's a good meal, but I'm going to be having that plus the Hungry Man Select fried chicken, which has delicious tasting chicken in it. And a person could, if they wanted to, use Banquet. This is the chicken nuggets with macaroni and cheese, and it has a brownie in it, so it's a pretty good meal for someone who has less of an appetite than I do. And also they have fried chicken with gravy and potatoes there that you could add to the Hungry Man turkey meal. Have a pretty good meal. I'm also going to have some biscuits. There are 10 biscuits in this tube of biscuits. 10 biscuits. I'll have 5 with this meal. And I will also have a tiny bit of cranberry sauce. Cranberry sauce is expensive. This came from Aldi's, and I think I paid $1.09 for it, but I'll use only about certainly less than 1/5, 52 cents. Not 52 cents. What, 22 cents? 22 cents. And I've got a sweet potato. It costs 45 cents. I might use 10 cents worth of that. What I'm going to do is fry the sweet potato in olive oil to my liking. I'll also have some grape juice. This costs $1.79 at Aldi. It's more expensive, I believe, at Kroger. But Kroger had a good bargain on gravy. I'll have some gravy that I'll just put on some of the potatoes and some of the meals. This gravy was being closed out at 71 cents. And I certainly won't use more than 10 cents worth. I won't use any of these. These are French fries. These come from Kroger. These are very, very good, and the only reason I'm not using any is because I already have so many potatoes in the meal that I might turn into a potato bug or something. I'm going to have a cup of instant coffee, less than a dime, the way I make it, water and instant coffee. And I'll have a surprise dessert at the end. So, let's start cooking. Fresh out of the oven, that's what the fried chicken looks like. And in the bottom center, this is where the brownie was. And I put the fried sweet potatoes in there. And I've got potatoes, mashed potatoes and gravy on the left. I added gravy from the 71-cent jar of gravy. And I've got some corn there, and you hear the microwave going as we're finishing up on the turkey dinner itself. There are the 10 biscuits all done. They were cooked in the conventional oven, the toaster oven. And I will now get the turkey dinner and put up there, and you'll see a whole bunch of food. There is the turkey dinner. In addition to what is here, if a person really wanted to, if you were even hungrier than what my appetite is like, you could add some of these Buddig packages of sliced turkey and sliced ham. I'm not going to use those right now, but just a suggestion, depending on how big an appetite you have. I don't recommend this particular way of eating Thanksgiving dinner to more than 2 people, because the microwave takes about 15 minutes per person, but you can be cooking one meal while you're eating the other, and it is good. Let's get started eating. It all looks good. I'm going to begin by getting a little bit of cranberry sauce here, and I'll just put it on top of the turkey and potatoes. The cranberry sauce I don't eat a lot of, but it's a good flavor that mixes with all of this. And this is hot, so parents, keep your kids away from the stove. Mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, gravy. That is good. Mix it with the biscuit. Show you and show you. And more potatoes. Now I'm going to try my fried sweet potatoes. They will be good, I'm sure. They are corn. This is definitely a feast. I will not be able to eat all this, but I have a refrigerator for leftovers. Leftovers make good lunches. I did not make a salad today. Here is the brownie. I'll eat that later, and I'll also have a surprise dessert. Try some grape juice. I like grape juice with almost any meal. This is a good way to make a low-cost, easy fix Thanksgiving meal that is very special. Try one of these pieces of fried chicken. When the Hungry Man fried chicken dinner is quite good. Make several varieties of the fried chicken. For the parents, I'll recommend the Hungry Man boneless chicken. They're basically chicken tenders with quite a bit of meat in each meal. This is very delicious. I'm very thankful for everything. I've been lucky to be healthy for so long. Try some of my mixed vegetables. Some carrots, some corn, some green beans. And corn over here. And more mashed potatoes and gravy. I've got lots and lots of potatoes. And this is with the gravy from the jar, the 71-cent jar of gravy. I think it's being closed out by Kroger. Try one of the slices of turkey. I am lucky to be me here now. There are many ways to make a Thanksgiving meal that is delicious, but not many ways of doing it that's easy and convenient. I do like chicken. I could have picked any variety of Hungry Man meal to add to the turkey dinner, but I do like the taste of your chicken. I'm just barely getting started, and I got lots and lots of food here. Got some stuffing here. More chicken. Another biscuit. This is a great Thanksgiving meal. I hope your 2019 has been a wonderful year. 2020 could be quite good. What I'll do, I'll show you the surprise dessert as soon as I'm finished with this piece of chicken and this biscuit. Just so you don't have to sit here through the entire meal. The chicken is certainly comparable to any fast food chicken. And you do get more food for your money with the frozen food dinner. I will grab the dessert and show you what the surprise dessert is. There is a surprise dessert. That's apple pie. It was on sale. $3.99, so $1 a slice the way I fix it. And I'll make room right here, push the biscuits over a little bit, for the apple pie. I'll have a bite of that before I go back to the regular meal. Yes. $3.99 for apple pie is a pretty good bargain. This whole meal, pretty easy to get by with less than $10. And still have a delicious, big, gigantic Thanksgiving dinner. Or this could be a Christmas or other holiday. This looks good. hate to leave it till last, but I want to get back to my turkey. Very good. This is a fabulous way to give your taste buds a happy Thanksgiving. Get another bite of turkey, potatoes here. There's lots of meat in these Hungry Man meals. Thank you for watching. Happy Thanksgiving.